Welcome to skybroking. Now let's see how to use the Payin and payout option. Log in into the SkyMobi app. Click on the bottom fourth icon which has your client code. Select the funds option. While investing to start your trade, select which segment you're going to trade with. On the top right corner, find the all option. Click that and select NSE if you need to trade in NSE, or select COM if you wish to trade in the MCX commodity segment. Your available margin will be displayed. That is, if you want to withdraw your funds, select withdraw option. After clicking the withdraw option, it will ask you to open in the browser. Choose the menu option on the top left corner. Click payment request. It will redirect you to the back office payment request page. Choose your segment. Enter the amount which you need to pay out. Click make request. Your request payment will be successful. Same like to add funds, click on the funds option. It will ask you to open in the browser. Choose the menu option on the top left corner. Click make payment. It will redirect you to the Razorpay page. Enter the amount to invest. Select the mode of payment. Click pay. Click pay using net banking. It will redirect you to the bank server. Enter your customer ID. Enter your PIN. Click login. The confirmation page appears. Click confirm. Enter the OTP which is received to your mobile number. Click submit. Your payment successful page appears. Refresh your funds page and your invested amount will be displayed. Now let's see how to add funds via UPI method. Log into your SkyMobi app. At the bottom of your screen, click the fourth icon which has a client code in it. Select funds option on top. Your funds page will appear. You can view the margin available here. To add funds, click on add funds option. It will redirect you to the Razorpay gateway. Your details will appear. Enter the amount which you need to invest. Select your payment method. Now let's see how this UPI procedure works. Click pay. Check your details and click pay using UPI. You can select any of these apps displayed as of your choice. Now let me select Paytm. It shows us your payment is being processed. It again confirms to pay. Click pay. Your fund will automatically be added into your trading account and you can now start trading. So this is how you use pay in and payout option in our app. So for more information and queries, please contact your branch or RM. Thank you by skybroking.